Hello students, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is the half-built house. Now, here you can see the picture which has been given in your book, the story of this house which is half-built. Okay, it is written there. Now, before reading the story, before proceeding towards the story, now let us know the main characters of the story. Here the main characters in the story are grandmother. The name of the grandmother is Alpana Kitnis. Chitnis. You will pronounce it as Kitnis. Next, Atharva and Neha. They are brothers and sisters. Now, Atharva and Neha has their cousins, and the name of their cousins are Disha, Dhruv, and Dev. So we can say that altogether, grandmother name is Alpana Kitnis. Atharva and Neha, who are brothers and sisters, and their cousins Disha, Dhruv, and they are the main characters in the story. Now let us start the story. The Kitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother, Alpana Kitnis. So the Kitnis children, they were enjoying summer holidays with their grandmother, as we all like to go visit to our grandmother's home whenever our school gives any vacation, summer vacation, or any other holidays. The children, Alpana Kitnis, the grandmother's farm was an exciting place for Atharva and Neha and their cousins Disha, Dhruv, and Dev. So Atharva and Neha, along with their cousins, they like grandmother's place very much. The children always had plenty to do outdoors. At their grandmother's place, the children always they had plenty to do outdoors. Here the word plenty you can see. Plenty means you say many, as much as. To do outdoors. Outdoors here means outside a building in an open place. Outside a building we have open place. So that is called outdoors. So the children had plenty to do, that is many things to do outdoors. Climbing trees, go swimming, fly kites, or play football in the open meadow, and sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So in grandmother's place, the children they have so much things to do. They have they can climb trees, they can go for swimming, they may fly kites or play football in the open meadow. Meadow means an open field of grass. You can say a field. And sometimes even manage to have an adventure, and sometimes they manage to have an adventure. Adventure means an event that is very exciting. Okay, in Hindi we say romanchak. Okay, now in the next page what it is written, let us go and explore the bamboo grove after tea today. Now they are thinking to explore the bamboo grove. Okay, after the tea today. Here grove means bamboo, all of you know bamboo, and grove means grove. Here it is given, you can see at your book, page number 36. The word meaning it is given, grove, a small group of trees. Okay, so bamboo tree, everyone, you all have seen. Okay, it will be nice and cool in the evening, said Atharva, who was 11 years old. So here we can say that Atharva was only 11 years old, and he suggested to explore the bamboo grove. Explore means to find out something new. He was the oldest, as he decided what everyone would do. Since Atharva was the oldest, so he decided what other children will do. In our home also, what we did in our this one while we were small. If we are the oldest one in our family, okay, oldest children in our family, what we do? We used to command the junior cousin, isn't it? Dev, the youngest. So the youngest one is Dev, was just 8 years old. But he always said, I can look after myself. Though he was the youngest, but he always used to be proud of himself, that I don't need any command. Okay, I can look after myself. No need to help me, no need to command me. The children got onto their bicycles. Be careful there, children, said grandma. Grandma warned them that be careful there. Okay. Yes, grandma, we will be careful. We promise, said Atharva. Atharva said, grandma, don't worry for us. We will be careful. We will take care of ourselves. It was 5 o'clock in the evening. On the way to the bamboo grove, they noticed a house that was only half built. So around 5 o'clock in the evening, on the way to the bamboo grove, while they were going to the bamboo grove, they noticed a house that was only half built. That house was not completely built. It was only half built. What a nice place to play hide and seek, said Disha. Disha said that it will be a better place, best place to play hide and seek. Who was almost the same age as Atharva. So here it is written that Disha was almost the same age as Atharva. Let's play here and will not go till to the bamboo grove. So Disha suggested that let us play there in the half-built house, and we will cancel our plan to go to the bamboo grove. But what if we see our mad dogs there? Asked Neha jokingly. Neha jokingly said, what will happen after going there, after entering the house, if we see everywhere there were mad dogs? Then only Disha and I will go in the first. We will see if it is safe to play there, said Atharva. Atharva said that, wait, others you all wait there, let me and Disha go there. After making the proper explanation of the place, we will call you all. Neha, Dhruv and Dev were eager for an adventure. They were very much eager. Eager means excited. They were very much excited for the adventure. They waited at a distance for the two older children to give the sign that all was fine. So they were waiting at a distance and waiting for the older children to give a sign. Sign means you can say, they may say in this way, yes, everything is fine, you can come now. Minutes passed. The three waiting outside were getting impatient. That means after a few minutes, we were waiting outside. They were getting impatient. Impatient means they cannot wait there anymore. They decided to go and find out for themselves what was happening. So outside, whoever who are waiting there, they decided to get inside the house and find out what is going on. Just then, Atharva and Disha came running back. Then suddenly they saw that Atharva and Disha, they were running back. They came running back. Quick, let's back to grandma's house at once, said Atharva. Atharva said, let us go back quickly to our grandma's home. We must tell Dad right away what we saw, said Disha. Disha said that we have to inform our Papa immediately what we saw there. And what did you see? Asked them. They asked that, Ari, tell me, what have you seen there? Curious to know what had happened in the half-built house. They was very curious to know what they have seen inside the house. When the children reached grandma's house, they were surprised to find Disha's father, Inspector Kidneys, already there. Okay, after visiting to their, after returning to grandma's home, the children they saw that Disha's father, who was an inspector, okay, whose name not given, Inspector Kidneys, was already present there. Dad said Disha excitedly. Disha ran excitedly to her father. You will never guess what we discovered. Do you remember those pictures of the three wanted criminals that we had seen in your office? So Disha was saying to her father that, did you remember once we had seen three wanted criminals pictures in your office? Those three men are there. They are in that half-built house. Atharva and I saw the men in the back room. Atharva and I both of have seen those three criminals in the back room. Yes, those men almost saw us, but we hide behind two empty drums, said Atharva. Atharva added that those men had almost seen us, but we had managed to hide ourselves behind the two empty drums. And one man said to the other, oh, just a cat somewhere. And they were whispering that it might be cat. The two children laughed, but that was dangerous. Children, grandma cried out in alarm. Grandma said that, thank God you are safe, but it was a very dangerous thing. We had a feeling that those crooks were somewhere around here, said Dad. Disha's dad said that we had a feeling that those crooks might be hiding somewhere there. That's why I drove down to the farm. I must call headquarters and ask them to send a patrol team at once. You did the right thing, children. Well done. So Disha's father appreciated those children's bravery. Okay. A little later, the police patrol arrived. Atharva and Disha asked if they could accompany the officer. So after arriving of the police patrol team, Disha and Atharva, they asked the officer that can we accompany you and show you the place, exact location. The officer said they could go only if they promised to be obedient. The officer added that yes, children, you may go with us, you may accompany us, but you have to be obedient. The two children eagerly accompanied the policeman to the half-built house. Very quietly, the four policemen and the children approached the room. Then, as quick as lightning, the police stormed into the room and got hold of the three crooks and handcuffed them. And as quick as lightning means here, at the speed of lightning, we can see the speed of lightning. Okay. So, as the speed of lightning, the police patrol team stormed into the room. They entered into the room and caught those three criminals and handcuffed them. More officers arrived and the crooks were taken away. And later on, the crooks were taken away. The chief officer was very pleased. Good work, children, he said. He was very pleased with the children's work and he appreciated their work and thanked them. You were very brave, said Dad. Disha's dad said that you were very brave children. So dear students, you can see the word meaning here given at the end of the story, Meadow Grove. Okay, and from the story you can add some more meaning in the page number 34. At page 34, open to page 34. Third, fourth line you can see plenty. Fourth line plenty. Then outdoors. Then in the next line meadow. And in the same line you will get again adventure. These all meanings you have to write down at your copy. Find the meaning by using a dictionary. Okay.